Right guys, so we are going to show you guys how we are doing a POV. First things first, always what you want to do is to make sure the lens is clean. So you'll take a piece of cloth or your t-shirt or whatever. Ideally you will want to have some sort of a microfiber cloth, the one that you use to, you know, clean your glasses pretty much. But you know what, that's gonna make it that's gonna make justice for now. So it does work this way. Now once we clean that, just to make sure it's everything cool, what we will be doing next is to, one at a time, we're going to fit this in place. And the way to fit it, I'll show you here, is you slide it like this under. As far as I have seen, this is the best option. And then you slide it up. Yeah, you push it up like this, and it will fit perfectly. You still have access to your buttons, up, down, all that good stuff. Yeah, and then what we want to do is to go on the phone. What we're gonna do is to go on the IBK cam. Now in the IBK cam, first things first, we need to turn on, push this button, the camera is turning on. And then there is a button here, the up button. You tap on it, press on it, and that's gonna open the Bluetooth. And then you go on your Bluetooth, and then you look for Action Cam, and you're gonna have a password and all that. Yeah, the password is gonna be written here, PWD password. Yeah, once you're connected, you go back to the app, you go on connecting device, and then you will be able to see in real time here what the camera sees. Yeah, all good, all good. Let me show you guys. So this is what the camera sees, and this is my mug. Hi guys. So that's how it was working. Yeah, so we're going to use that connection to make sure that we indeed have the right position and angle and all that. So the next step, what we're gonna do, we are going to choose, we'll leave it to a 2.7K, which is, well, it's a good quality. I would say it has to be a good quality. Now this one usually has to be around something like this. We'll lock it in place. We're not sure if it's the right position or not, but that's the reason we have the real-time preview. And then we'll wear it. It's gonna have to be as low as possible for, you know, obvious reasons. And then up. Now let's see, is it right? I would really love if this had a bit more depth, you know, like make it a bit bigger, or I don't know, something like that. But hey, you know, we're just gonna have to run with what we have. What I will do, I will start the recording as well, just to make sure we are, you know, recording and all that. And I have a problem. I haven't connected the mic, so we need to take it down again. And the only catch here is sometimes you can't remove this unless you take it out from the camera, and that's not ideal. Oh, come on, man. Yes, mission succeed. This was successful. So we connect the microphone here. Yeah. And the reason we're connecting the microphone is because, you know what, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the connection, it's a bit bad. Oh, another thing that I want to show you guys, you know, just to be on the safe side, is what you need to do, guys. How do I go through the navigation? I think it's still connected. Anyway, the point being is you need to make sure that the mic here is on, otherwise nothing can be heard. It's just gonna die. It's just, well, you can't hear nothing. So let's try again. Trial number 2. We'll have to find a way to run this mic somehow behind the ear, just so it makes sense. Well, I'm not sure what happened with the preview. Let's try again. Connecting device. Well, at least it's loading and connecting. So the microphone, it's a lavalier, whatever you want to call it, mic. And the way to have it, it's the best is like this. Just make sure as much as possible that it's not going to touch your t-shirt, you know. Or we could actually have it here. I'm just afraid that, you know, given the motion, it will always create some sort of a noise, and I do not want that. So I'll just have it here on the side. I mean, hopefully that should work. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Maybe this is gonna work. We don't know. We won't know until we find out. Now, going back to the real-time preview. As you can see, guys, sometimes it does get like disconnected and all that. But that's not too bad, because at the end, you know what? I think what we need is... it's not too bad. Okay, right. Let's go ahead and start driving. We are going to turn off this phone, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some of the footage from the camera so you guys can hear the mic and everything, and then we're going to start driving. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.